Hi everybody. My presentation today is beekeeping with a personal overview in Vietnam. With the content, distribution and the decline of the Asian honeybee apiculture. The second, general beekeeping in Vietnam. The third, beekeeping with apiculture in forest area. One, distribution of the apiculture. There are 9 honeybee species in the world. 8 honeybee species origin from South and Southeast Asia, except of Apis mellifera. The natural range of Apiceana is very widespread across temperate and tropical Asia, reaching from Afghanistan to Japan, north into the foothills of the Himalaya and south through Indonesia. Avicenna was introduced from Java, Indonesia to Papua New Guinea in 1970s. In the figure 1, distribution map of the six Avicenna morphocluster identified by Radloff et al. 2010. Here we can see it's northern, red is northern, and the pink is Himalaya, and green is Indian plain, and this one is Indo-Chinese, and here is Philippines, and yellow one is Malaysia and Indonesia. Second, the decline of the Avicenna in the world. The Avicenna has been raised in the Asia for more than 2,000 years. According to John and Binefen 2016, the population of Avicenna have decreased by 55%. The major reason is replacement with exotic and more prolific Apis mellifera. Habitat alteration is change from forest to rubber plantation and palm oil plantation. Pests and enemy ants, wasps, westmost, BDG, sharproot, European purple disease, and pesticide poisoning. Here in the picture you can see some wasps attack the colony, and here is westmost destroy comb, and here symptom of sharproot disease. It's very dangerous disease. Figure 2, you can see map of estimated change in Avicenna population over the past 10 years. It's dark and green one, you see increase and increase. Here it's the south of India, Bhutan, and Thailand, and China. China now, they have about 5 million Avicenna. It's slightly the yellow one is stable, and red one is slightly and decrease, and brown one is severe decrease. It's north of India and south of Korea. Second, to general beekeeping in Vietnam. Introduction. Traditional beekeeping with Avicenna existed for a long time. In early 1960s, the modern technique was introduced to Avicenna in the north, and Apis mellifera bee was introduced to the south of Vietnam. In 1985, Vietnam started export honey. In the year 2020, Vietnam export 51,000 metric tons of honey. Honeybee species. There are 6 honeybee species in Vietnam. First, Apis dorsata. The second, Apis laboriosa. Third is Apis florea, and fourth is Apis andreniformis. Five is Avicenna, and six Apis mellifera. Two beekeeping area in Vietnam. Apis mellifera is mainly kept in the south and center of Vietnam. Here you can see, and also in Mekong Delta, and the north some province. But Avicenna is kept own area of the country. from north to the south, but special developed in the north and central province. Taiwan one, you can see the change in the number of epicenter and mellifera colony in Vietnam. In the year 2020, we have 400,000 colony of epicenter and 1,100,000 colony of epid mellifera. Since 2002, the number of epid mellifera colony have increased very fast. Since 2015, the number of epid mellifera colony have unchanged due to the honey export price reducing. Contrary, the number of epicenter colony have increased because epicenter honey is sent in domestic market with much more higher price. The third, beekeeping with epicenter in forest area. Here is one forest in the north of Vietnam. One benefit impact of beekeeping with epicenter in the forest area. Beekeeping plays an important role in the livelihoods of people in the forest area. Honey and wax is main income source for many forestry community. It's easy to market epicenter honey because it's very fragrant and fresh, higher price, even 2 to 4 times higher than one of apis mellifera. So the pie honey production system with epicenter in Vietnam. Pie system honey production can be identified. One, honey hunting of white colony or keeping bee in the forest. The second, family beekeeping with peak comb high, it's a lock or square high, sedentary. The third, family beekeeping with top high, sedentary, it's a let. For family beekeeping with frame high, sedentary or partly migratory, so it's many in Vietnam now. The fifth, group beekeeping with frame high, migratory 2 or 3 times per year. Professional beekeeper is many. So in Vietnam now, some people can keep about 5 to 600 colony. Honey hunting, beekeeping in the forest, what on the beach. Some honey hunting or beekeeper, they go to forest, they find the colony stay in the tree cavity. Maybe natural. They open it carefully, and after take out honey, they cover by wood or stone, so we came back next time, so they can have it 2 or 3 times. But in some area like Sihanouk, Laos, and Quảng Nam, Vietnam, and Gia Lai, the people they make artificial cavity to keep the bee. Some people they keep from 50 to 100 bee colony. Beekeeping and rock cavity. Here it's a rock cavity. So beekeeper put stone to cover it, so high, and so bee can arrive and bring the comb after 2 to 3 months. They can have it honey. Here one beekeeper checking the high in cavity. Pick comb high beekeeping. The comb is attached to the upper top of the hive and cannot be moved without destroying it. So that's why it's significant to check the colony and also and have it honey. Beekeeper have to cut out all the comb and so it cannot be attached again. So bee population normally go down, and after have it honey, some will be colony abscond. Top 32 beekeeping. It feature Indian bar like across to the high. So we been their comb down from the bar naturally. Comb easy to take to remove for checking and have it honey. Here is top bar with the same length, and this one it's top bar with different length. Beekeeper tie brood comb to the top bar after harvest honey, so that the bee population do not decrease. 15 or 20 days later, they can harvest honey again. Here we can one very big top bar comb with a lot honey. For modern beekeeping, in the early 1960s, Apicenna beekeeping has shifted to movable frame high. Harvest honey by centrifugal extractor. Beekeeper can migrate bee hive to other nectar resources to get more honey. Queen-rearing technique were also applied. Beekeeper can multiply more colony. Honey yield increased from 10 to 15 kg per hive per year. It's a modern beekeeping with moving frame high. Here some lady checking one movable frame high. And harvest honey, they unseen the honey sand and put in the centrifugal extractor and extract it. Later they give back in the colony. So for them need not destroy. So maybe 7 days to 10 days later they can have it one more time. So honey in it's go up. Here one modern beekeeping apiary. Grafting queening. Almost Vietnamese beekeeper know how to rear the queen by grafting technique. 25 to 50 queen cells are reared in one colony one time. So you can easily use it to change the queen or dividing new colony. Migratory beekeeping. Beekeeper move the hive to different locations to take advantage of nectar flows for getting more honey yield. Beekeeper with Apicenna can migrate their beehive from 1 to 3 times per year. But they can migrate bee from short to long distance to reduce investment sugar in the depth season or get more honey. Sometimes they can migrate to 500 or 600 kilometers. Here is the beekeeper transport beehive by car, and sometimes they with family beekeeping, they can transport beehive by motorcycle. Recently, some beekeeper keeping Apicenna in super high to improve honey quality, because now almost beekeeper take the comb with brood and honey, they unseen and extract honey. So water content in honey is high. So now they put it in the sulfate box. So honey it's better. Water content is low. So thank you for attention. Stop.